Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these last minute Christmas chocolates. So let's get started. Melt some chocolate chips and some white chocolate over hot water. As containers I'm going to use these silicone hearts, and this is an ice cube tray and another ice cube tray and even my little muffin tins. For filling I'm going to use pecans, walnuts, almonds, peanut butter, Nutella, jam, and coconut mixed with maple syrup. I'm going to start with these, and I'll fill them about halfway. And I'm going to put some cranberries in these. And I'll set those aside. I'll move to these ice cube trays. And then I'll put some pecans. And then fill them. And now with the ice cube trays, place some chocolate into the ice cube compartment, add some peanut butter, and then fill it up. And do the same with Nutella. Place some Nutella in there, and then cover it with chocolate. I've got some of my coconut here. Place that down inside and cover it up. Chocolate, some jam, cover it up. I'm going to drizzle like that. Add some white chocolate. And finish with the chocolate. And I'm going to let those set up. Okay, my chocolates have all set up, so now I'm going to take them out and have a look at them. For the ones here in the ice cube containers, I'm going to turn it around. I'm just going to hold my hands on there for a few moments just to soften it up. And then for the hearts, they're in silicone, so they're very easy to take out. And then the ice cube trays, I can just push those out. And these are a fail because they definitely are not coming out of my little cups. So I'm going to melt them down and I'm going to do something else with them. Just melt a little bit of white chocolate and I'm going to put a little dot on the heart and then drop a little candy in there. And there you go, there's some easy Christmas last minute chocolates that you can make. Thanks for watching, bye for now.